Hello, I'm Doris from Ligman. Some followers asked how to choose the target lathe. Let's make it simple. Number 1. Check CNC system. Our standard CNC controller is from Taiwan Syndec with crystal panels. You can also have Siemens or Fanuc as optional. Number 2. Check the spindle. Our machine adopts the spindle unit and Swiss SKF bearing. Number 3. Check the rails. We are using Japanese THK 35 roller guide rail with cages and accuracy class P. Number 4. Check the screw. Our machine adopts Japanese THK diameter 40, grade accuracy C3. Its bearing is normally Swiss SKF or German FAG. Number 5. Check the power turret. We are using hydraulic servo turret with a wide body and a large toothed disc, which has fast tool chain and high rigidity. Finally, after-sale service is critical. Before the machine is shipped, we will set up all the parameters and provide the electronic manner. The lead time is fast, generally 20 to 30 days. The warranty period is 1 year. So guys, have you got it?